Well, it looks like he's just about ready to take that wall down. He's moving everything over to there. He got the garage all ripped up over there, threw that all down over there, all the footings, all the slab and all that kind of stuff. And he's pretty much up above that is just all dirt now. And so now he thought he'd come back down into the sandbox and get this wall moved out of here. I think he's probably going to take it out from there over to about there. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. This is pretty interesting. You don't see this every day, do you? Tearing out the footings and the walls from a house that burned down. How many times have you seen that on video or in real life? I've never seen this. Boy, the sun's out and I'm shaking like a leaf because it's so cold out here. I'm holding my camera on with a little bit of the tripod, and I probably should, I'm going to set the tripod up all the way because I'm shivering and it's probably making the camera shake a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to get this resituated here. I think I'm just going to let the camera roll while I put the tripod legs down. Let's see here if I can do this. Let's see if I can't set this tripod up. How's that? And just kind of let it sit right like that for a while. Yeah, I thought he was going to take this. Thought he was going to take this wall down. I think he still will. He's just kind of getting things squared away here, isn't he? See, now I can shake all I want. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. I'm gonna look on my phone and see how cold it is out here right now. Whew. 31 degrees. Can you believe that? It's like 11 o'clock in the morning and it's only 31 degrees. It's not going to get up to 40 until like 2 o'clock, even though the sun's out. What's going on with that? That's making me shiver even that much more. I hope you're nice and toasty wherever you're at. Get my gloves back on here. Whew. Ooh. I don't know if he's got any trucks coming today or not. Maybe he's already scheduled them for later. Maybe he said, hey, get out of here at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. He'll load up a few loads or something. Or maybe he doesn't have any trucks coming out at all today. I don't know. This is his second day out here, and they're supposed to be done in one more day after this. So see, he may even have all the trucks coming the next day. He comes out here and works. He might just spend the rest of the day ripping this little section out. Well, that's about all he can do. Okay, he's gonna come over here and get it now. He's gonna get it now. Situate just a hair over here. You can see that. I think I'm in a good place right here. Out of this way. Now he's digging some of that dirt out of there, so he can get better leverage on this as he tears this wall down. Cracked me up when I initially talked to the general contractor on here. He thought they may have to saw concrete saw out here, cut some of the rebar, cut some of the wall, because he wasn't sure if the excavator was gonna rip and tear and be able to take these walls down with the rebar in there. He thought the rebar was going to hang it up. But you know what? He also had like a regular concrete saw where he wouldn't have to cut the concrete at all. It tore some of the walls down. If the rebar was holding up, he was going to get a saw out and cut the rebar. I've not seen him use that saw once, because he just uses that thing and it just jerks that rebar right out of there. It stretches it a little bit and then snap, crackle, pop. Got to put my face up towards the sun and at least feel a little bit of heat on me while my rest of my body's shaking to smithereens. I should have put my long johns on this morning. Ugh. Amazing what one guy in an excavator can do in just a few hours, huh? Okay. I think he means business now. Look at that. No rebar's gonna stop him from getting it down. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Bye-bye, baby. Because he's got to get that one section of wall out of his way. Oh. Come on there, pupster. There you go. As long as he can fit it in the big old huge truck when it gets here, he doesn't have to break it up any smaller than that. He's gonna go. I wanted to see him rip this out. I guess he's gonna take a small little break and talk to his grandpa, and then next time he gets in this excavator, you know what he's gonna do. He's gonna take this section of wall down. Okay, well, I think that's all I have for now.
Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.
I gotta get to work.